4 years ago, we started Bilt with a simple premise. Why can't you get rewarded on your single largest expense? Rent. So we built the first platform that finally let people earn points on rent to help you build your credit with every on-time payment and turn their biggest bill into something that actually works for you. We launched this idea with a party that kind of broke the internet. But what started there has grown far bigger. Over the years, we've partnered with apartment buildings across the country to make where you live more rewarding, transforming how you find a home and how you experience daily life there. Today, we power the leasing and resident app in 1 in 4 apartment buildings across the United States. But in hearing from our members, we started to notice something really important. Your home is more than just the 4 walls you live in. I mean, we choose where we live because of the neighborhood around us. So we set out to connect your home to all the places you go every day in your neighborhood into one ecosystem. Think like a hotel. You check into your room, you get your room key, you can go downstairs to the restaurant and seamlessly charge it to your room. You can walk into the spa, they'll recognize you and automatically apply your credits from your booking. That's how we want feeling in your neighborhood to feel like. So we went out and built a neighborhood platform that now powers over 45,000 local businesses, connect with people right in their neighborhoods. Bilt now powers a unified guest experience layer at tens of thousands of restaurants. We do this for fitness studios, from booking your class to getting exclusive add-ons. And even pharmacy locations where members now get automatic HSA and FSA reimbursement just by spending on items. And so much more that we continue to add between rideshare, parking, home grocery delivery, and more. Your Bilt membership now connects you to your neighborhood at a scale far beyond what we ever imagined. And whether you're using an Amex card, your Bilt card, or Venmo, we are focused on one thing: making our members' lives more seamless and more rewarding where you live, no matter how you pay. Welcome to the next era of Bilt.